The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Temperature sensor must be at least 50 centimeters from the heater, 50 centimeters from the corner of the sauna room, and 10 centimeters to 20 centimeters from the ceiling. The best place for it is on the wall, where your seat is. Connect the two temperature sensor cable wires to the connector. Put the rest of the cable back in the wall. Install the back of the temperature sensor body to the wall, just above the cable hole, using 2 screws in the set. Install the rest of the casing. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.eu or contact our reseller.